At the beginning, you think I'm getting married to so and so. What? You got married to a clan.
And that now thinks that you have to change your entire identity
and
culture to theirs.
To theirs.
That you didn't exist. There was nothing.
You came like an empty board. Exactly. And now they're going to write history into you.
Yeah.
Now, that very often happens with a woman who gets married into a particular home, and you suddenly find that you are stripped of your rights to make particular choices. We just expect you to cook a big ugali because you came here to cook.
Exactly.
Yeah. And in Doluo, the word for coming to get married is coming to cook. Iditedo. Yeah. So now you better be cooking.
Yeah.
And the size of the ugali can be so big.
Yes.
So for me, even just bringing it down to that ugali level and the setting of the boundary that I had over that. I remember arriving, I'm this young woman, grew up in Parklands. Yeah. I don't know how to cook that ugali. I don't know how to cook ugali for 4-5 people. Yeah. Yes, I know how to cook ugali for maybe 8 maximum. Yeah. But now when it comes to this funeral-sized ugali,
and the pot is getting big. The pot for ugali is
humongous.
Big.
And so the women said, okay, so now that the water has boiled, we want you to cook the ugali. And I'm looking at these women and I'm like, this is that thing. It's village bullies. And they've descended on me. And I said, no, I have no problem. I'll cook the ugali. And I took my kaki and I said, and you will go and siaga the unga. The woman said, what do you mean? I don't know how to drive a car.
Yeah.
I said, okay, I'll go and siaga the unga and you cook the ugali.
Yeah.
I know something that you don't know and you know something that I don't know.
Yeah.
For me, it was possible for me to have that conversation because I was a high school teacher when I got married. So I was already equipped. But very many women get bullied to the point where they cannot even speak.
Yeah.
So the boundary that I set on that day is, if you ask me to do something, you better know everything that I know how to do. Then, only then are we equal.
Yeah.
But here we can be equal where I know some things and you know some things and now we can work together.
Yeah.
So those are some of the boundaries I set at that level.